Guys, we're back with Top Fuel 3 gear. So Top Fuel 3 gear, kind of light field today. Only got 6 cars, but we do have a 6-car ladder setup. This is heads up racing, so we will jump right into qualifying to see kind of what we got. So first up in the right lane, we got Stuart Barber's Bad Moon, the Dash Mondo that has been highly modified. And in the left lane, Stuart Barber's Hair Trigger, both cars out of Kansas. This one looks like a Mondo also. I think that's what they're called. They are Dash. If I messed up, don't kill me. I don't know a lot about the Dash stuff. Blah, blah, blah. Here we go. First round qualifying, Stuart Barber. Track's ready to rip. Let's do it. Whoa, big old wheelie on a Hair Trigger. Flips over. 403 for the right lane. 403 with a 0. Unfortunately, Hair Trigger ripped right out of the slot. Gets no time. No time on that one. So it literally wheelied right out of the slot. I wasn't expecting that. Thing's got some huge braids on it, big old meats on the back. That is unfortunate for that car. Let's go to the next one. So next up, we got Mother's Worry, Rick Hice, right lane. We have seen this car before in Top Eliminator. Running up against Nitro Slots number 2, Dave Vince out of Tennessee. Has some massive magnets glued onto the back of that thing. Check that out. Pretty cool body. Love seeing custom stuff. Those are a couple of customs. Let's go. Second pair, Top Fuel 3 gear qualifying. All right, left lane goes 469 with the 6. 469 with the 6. Right lane goes 1.209. Great run. Both cars. Get them back up here. Next up, our last pair. One Rat Pack, Keith Atkinson out of Illinois. Right lane. Running up against Lyme disease, Joe R. out of Illinois. A couple of Illinois cars, both green. Both ready to rip. This is Q1 Top Fuel 3 gear. Here we go. Right lane goes 642 with a 1. Left lane goes 947 with a 2. Definitely going to be looking for a little bit more out of that one. All right. So we're going to clean these tires. We might as well keep rolling. Be very careful in doing this because some of these are braid cars. Do not want to mess up the braids. Yeah, Top Fuel 3 gear is kind of an interesting class. Pancake arms, I mean, if there are a couple of people out there that do wind custom pancake arms, I know Engines does some, and then there's a few other guys that are doing them. They run between 50 and 60 bucks, but you can get, some 1-ohm arms. I'm not sure what's in Stuart's cars, but I'm guessing that's down there. I actually have been wanting to build one of these for a while. I do have an arm, I have some chassis, but I really have no idea where to go from there. I think they need metal gears and all that kind of stuff if they don't already have them. But first up in the left lane this time, Stuart Barber's Bad Moon ran a 403 earlier. He is going to be running up against himself. Hair Trigger, Stuart Barber with no time last time out. I am going to video this one. See if we can catch some action. If it does the same thing, if it repeats, let's see what happens. So this is qualifying number 2. Here we go. All right, they both made a lick. Right lane goes 645. 645 with a 9. That thing was really screaming. Left lane goes 421 with a 0. So that 403 is the time to beat right now. And hair trigger was kind of grindy sounding up in there, so hopefully that thing, the gears aren't going on it. Next up, Rick Hice, left lane, Mother's Worry, ran a 1-2-0 last hit. Up against Dave Vince, Nitro Slots number 2 out of Tennessee, 469. Pretty good rip on that one. He is in the right lane this time. So here we go. This is qualifying number 2. All right, Dave goes 477 that time, 477 with a 7. Left lane does improve, goes 119. But that is not going to be enough to go rounds in this class because these guys are flying. So get these guys up here. Next up, last pair, 1 Rat Pack, Keith Atkinson in the left lane this time, ran a 642 last pass. Up against the 947 Lyme disease, Joe R going to be in the right lane. Couple of Illinois cars. This will be the last pass for qualifying. Here we go. All right, left lane improves, goes 636 with an 8. Right lane also runs a 995 with a 2. So now we are going to, actually we'll set them out here real quick and we'll get these things organized out and get the ladder set. Stuart Barber, second qualifier with hair trigger in 1 pass, ran a 645. Actually, sorry, second qualifier with a 632 is Keith Atkinson. So Keith taking second qualifier. We'll set these out so that you guys can see them. And 469 is gonna be number 4. Okay, number 4, and then we have our green cars and Rick Hice, Mother's Worry, in the number 6 spot. So that's our lineup, guys. I will get the ladder set off camera because we do have a split ladder. As you can see, we're only going to be running one side. So looks like first round is going to be 1 versus 6. So we'll get that stuff set up real quick off camera and then we will be back. All right, guys, we got the ladder set. We are back for first round. So first matchup, we got Sam will show them. We got Stuart Barber and Rick Hice going to be running number 1 and number 6. Then we got Keith Atkinson, Joe R running in the second group, second pair out. Third pair out, Stuart Barber's hair trigger and Dave Vince. So that is a round to watch right there because those cars are very close. Very similar to when number 8 and number 9 run each other on a 16 car field. So first up, we are gonna run Bad Moon in the right lane. I did change this over to a Pro Tree, which is just gonna drop faster. He is running up against Rick Hice. Pretty cool stuff. And this one's gonna drop quick, so here we go. All right, 399 with a 1. Stuart takes that one, runs a 399, so best pass out of that car. Definitely the fastest 3 gear we have seen. Thing was flying. Actually, I think we might have seen a faster one from Damon Munch from Montana, I think last time out. He had some really fast, might have been a 4 gear though, not sure. We have to check the records for that one, but next up in the right lane, Keith Atkinson. Gonna run against Joe R. So these guys were qualifying next to each other. Now they're running heads up. So Joe's gonna want to be picking up quite a bit of time here. I'm gonna do a little extra video here. Here we go. All right, right lane takes the win. Heath moving on to the next round. Runs a 6:53 with a 4. So great job, but the car did slow down a little bit. Probably gonna need a little bit more out of that to go next round. Next up in the right lane, hair trigger Stuart Barber had no time first pass because it did a big old wheelie out. Up against Dave Vince in the left lane. So these guys are qualified very, very close. We will do some extra video on these guys. Here we go, guys. This is round 1. And left lane takes the win, 486. 486 takes the win. Dave Vince moving on. Stuart's cars ran a 609. So right lane runs a 609. I thought they were closer than that, but maybe I was wrong. I thought they both were running 4s. So that race wasn't as close as I thought. So sorry if I got you guys all clammed up around the computer screen. Next up, round 2, Stuart Barber is gonna have a bye run into the next round. And we have Keith Atkinson running the mid 6s against Dave Vince running in the mid 6s. So that one, no, sorry, that's a 400 to a 600. So that's gonna be a tough one for him. So it was these two cars that I was getting mixed up, but I'll just shut up and run the race. How about that? Next up, right lane. Stuart Barber running the bad boy, Anglia. We love it. We love his cars. We are gonna video this one from here too. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Here we go. Runs a 462, so big drop off. It ran a 399 last pass. 462, make sure you guys are keeping track of your times with our data log sheet. It is for free download. Doesn't cost you anything. It's literally just a tool for you to use. Next up, right lane, Keith Atkinson gonna be running up against Dave Vince in the left lane. Dave ran in the 4s, Keith's running in the 6s. It is top fuel, anything can happen. Here we go. Left lane takes it, runs a 445, so we're shaping up to see a crazy final round right here, guys. Crazy final round. So Dave versus Stuart in the final. Because we are running only one side of the ladder, this is how it pans out. So we'll get these tires cleaned really quick. We'll see if the Anglia has a 399 up its sleeve again. So he will be in the right lane. This will be top fuel 3 gear. We are doing full prizes on this one. So if you guys were wondering, we will still do full prizes for first and second place. Cars are staged. Sam's getting some close-ups. And we are ready for the final, guys. So let's see what happens. Right lane takes the win, 399 with a 6. Dave runs his best pass of a 431, but it is not enough. Stuart Barber takes that one, takes the win, runs a 399 with a 6. So awesome pass, great run. Let's get over to the prize table. Let's see what we got for Stuart and Dave. So real quick, just a shout out to our sponsors, guys. So we got Jag Hobbies, DeFalco Design, AFX, Harry Canary Bodies, Enzo Rings, Lucky Bob's, Bomb Ass Beef Jerky, Radical Bodies, Super Tires, HC Slots, Midland Radio, Viper Skull Racing, and more. So we appreciate our sponsors. We are going to be re-upping some of this stuff as we go through. We keep adding stuff out here, but as we do more and more races, it gets depleted and then we add back to it. So first up, we have our winner, Stuart Barber. Let's see what we got for Stuart Barber. It looks like a drag custom from Mike Merrick. So shout out to Mike Merrick. He bought these off the Viper store and Stuart just won that. So that is a $40 car. Can't beat that for a $5 entry. I mean, come on, where can you get those odds? Not in Vegas. Next up, Dave Vince, our runner up. He gets a $10 Viper gift card. So $10 Viper gift card / store credit. So great job there. Another, 100% return on your investment. And we will draw for Stuart one more time. We have a $10 Viper gift card. So $10 for Stuart. So making out really good there. So if you guys didn't have a car in the race or if you didn't have your car get first or second and you missed out on prizes, don't worry, we have grand prizes at the end. We will do a grand prize video. Every entry gets a ticket for that. Also too, something to keep in mind, if you are watching this and you didn't have a car in here, a class like this, anything can happen. It's top fuel. So even though there were slower cars, anything can happen at any time. So I encourage you guys to build stuff, get stuff in here. You never know what can happen, and we'll see you on the next one.